Hello and welcome back to my channel. Well, welcome to a little vlog. Today I'm going to be basically taking you to work with me. I've got a lot to do today and it's already like quite late in the day. It's like 10 to 1. So I've got to go down to the factory that I work with for my brand and pick up some stock because I'm launching new pieces next week. So I have to pick them up and then tomorrow I'll get them sent to the warehouse. And also check in with the factory, see how they're doing, and then we're gonna go to my studio that I need to make sure I've got the keys for, and I've got some bags that I've like borrowed off this like bag rental company. It's like they're like really nice, so I'm going to show you those and like create a bit of content for them, which is quite cool. And also I've got like loads of stuff to do with my brand, taking photos and all sorts of stuff like that. So yeah, I think it's going to be a late one in the studio tonight. Okay, we've made it to the factory. The temperature in London today is hot as fuck. I'm just going to sort out the boot so we can get the boxes in, and yeah, and then I'll take you inside. Okay, I'm going to do a little voiceover for this bit because the footage is actually so bad. So this is me going up to the factory. It's not like a really big factory that I work with in London. They're pretty small. It's female owned. It's a mother and daughter team. The mum is like head of production and basically runs the whole factory. This is what I was picking up, these black shirt and trouser sets in these boxes. They're actually sold out now, but coming back soon. And here's some footage of them making the pieces. I just think it's really cool that they're made in London and I get to see it all like being made. I love sewing and everything, and I don't know, I just think it's cool. So the pieces you see them sewing here are now actually available to shop on the website FUCHSIA SHAW.com. I feel a bit bad that I was like walking around filming completely unannounced because it's not usually this chaotic in here. They were literally in the middle of a big order for my brand, and it's a big order. Well, I say big order for their size and for my brand size. It was a pretty big order. This is Danny. He is the one male machinist, and he is sewing belt loops. They are a really nice team. It's always such good vibes in the studio, like in the factory, sorry. Just, oh, they've always got snacks and music on, and they're really friendly, and yeah, they are just a very talented team of nice people. So yeah, that's the factory. Finally made it to the studio. Oh my gosh, I am melting. It's really warm in here. It gets like sun all day. So I'm about to iron all the clothes I brought with me, and then I will show you the bags. This is my random outfit of the day. I'm wearing these joggers. Why? No idea. They're so hot. New Balance trainers and my Austin Iris top, which is my new absolute favorite thing. I bought it secondhand off a girl on Depop, and I love it so much. It's like really comfortable. It's quite thick. Again, why am I wearing such a thick outfit on a hot day? But I just really like it. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna do some ironing. Ironing finally done. So I'm ironing these shirt sets I'm launching next week, and just some other bits and bobs. Here's the shoes I brought with me. I love these new green ones. I can't wait to style these. And yeah, more clothes, trousers, those are tops and stuff like that. But these are the bags, so I'm going to show you these. These bags are from a company called Cocoon Club. And yeah, they've sent me them, they've lent me them for a few days. Like, this isn't paid, it's not an ad, they've not asked me to do this. And I just want to show you the bags, because it's not every day that you get sent like 4 designer bags. Okay, so the first one is a jacquemus in purple. Oh my gosh, I don't actually know what's the name of this style. Is it like the Chiquito? It's like the pretty classic, recognizable jacquemus style. Yeah, purple, which what I think is quite cool about the whole rental thing is that I don't know if you would buy a purple like designer bag. It's quite a look unless you loved purple, but it's perfect for summer and really cute for sort of like styling in a clashing kind of way. I'm pretty sure this undoes. I'm scared. I don't know, it's my like worst nightmare do something to their bags. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that undoes, and then you can wear it like on the shoulder if you want to, which is kind of cute. And it comes with the long strap, it's got the gold hardware. I'm pretty sure this is new, but it's gonna be so cute for styling. Like, you can imagine wearing it with like an orange if you wanted to be color clashing, but I would probably just wear it with neutrals and use it as like a star piece. Next up, we've got pink Prada. I think they were going for like a very summery sort of little collection that they sent me. I've done a styling video that I shot a minute ago that should be up on Instagram by now, with like styling up all these different bags. Yeah, how cute is this pink one? This pink one is like a little bit more practical, apart from you can't wear it over the shoulder. Just want to have a look inside. It's got a little pocket. Oh, I reckon this is an over the shoulder strap. I don't want to undo it. It's very girly. This is something that I wouldn't buy probably, just because it's not very necessarily what I would go for a long time, especially when it comes to designer bags, but like it's really cute for a rental. Love the little pink Prada badge there. Cute. Okay, this one I was really excited about because I have never had a Bottega bag and I would really love one. No idea what this style is called. I think they come in a bigger size as well, and like obviously I would personally want the bigger size, typical. I want the more expensive one, but it's got a nice like close on the magnetic closing thing. One thing about this one, it took me ages to figure out why the strap is so long, but it turns out it sort of, you like pull it on the inside, you see that, and you like pull it through to make it shorter. It smells very leathery, and it's not really my kind of bag, but like again, it's so fun as a rental, like really practical. Does it fit your phone there? Oh, let's do a phone test. Oh, yeah, okay, if it's your phone, fine, but it's like quite tight, but it just feels really, really nice. This color is so unusual, and actually doing the styling video, I found this color a little bit hard to style with anything that wasn't just neutrals, but yeah, there's a little Bottega. It looks really good actually, doesn't it? That color like comes up so nice. It came up really nice in the pictures actually. It just looks really high quality and special. But yeah, I really want it, but the bigger version. Actually, what I really want is a Bottega like mini Jodie. Okay, the last one I think is like the most like gaudy maybe, but also really summery. So it's this Prada. Again, I have no idea the name of these bags. Is that really bad? But I do have this bag in the black nylon myself, and I love it. I still love it. It's really, really, really practical size. Again, I wouldn't buy it in mint, but the mint is so pretty. And I don't think this is leather actually. It's not, is it? It looks like plastic. It's giving me plastic. I think it's plastic. I could be wrong. But it looks really, really like mint and just shiny and crisp and new. The gold hardware as well. Mine's got silver hardware. I definitely wear gold more often, so that's a plus. And it's got the little mini case at the front, which is actually like useless. I've never used mine, but it just looks really cute. This one I found really easy to style. I could think of loads of outfits for it for some reason. Really like wearing it over the shoulder like that, and it is multi-use because you can take off the big strap and just wear it as a little underarm Prada bag, which I love. I think that's so useful. I mainly actually wear mine with the big strap though, because it goes quite well casually. What a nice bag. I love that little Prada badge. But yeah, so I've taken some styling videos with them, and they are all going back to Cocoon tomorrow, which is really sad, but It was really fun looking after them for a little while. And I am heading home. Look at me. Official bag lady. Yeah, it's about 8:30 now. I'm gonna go home. I'm tired, and I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. Gosh, fucking hell, these bags. Yeah, I hope this was somewhat interesting. Please let me know if there's any other videos that you would like to see. And yeah, hope you have a good day, and see you again soon. I was just going to end the vlog, but the lift has stopped like in the wrong place, so that's really fun and scary. Am I going to die? Don't know. Let's vlog it. Mother pissing scaries. Oh gosh, oh god. Right, ready? Survival. I didn't die, yay! Okay, thank you, love you, bye.